Okay, so this thing's been working pretty well so far. I guess I'm just gonna explain how it works for this update. So there's two carriages. There's one here, and that one comes from this side, and there's one on the other side. And as it goes up, if you see these slopes here, they push the carriage back in. And here it's all the way in, and when it hits this slope, it's gonna push it back out to the middle. And then we have stoppers right here to stop them so it's perfectly aligned and level with the exit track. And then the same thing happens on the other side, but mirror image. Gets pushed in and gets pushed back out to the middle. Alright, now for some of the nerdier little tidbits here. Each side has 4 tracks. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. Those keep both elevator carriages stable, both going forward and backward and side to side. The only part that's not very stable is the track itself can kind of sag down and fall kind of diagonally this way. Now to combat that, obviously on the floor part we have a support. Up here I'm gonna have to add like some sort of mechanism that's gonna come and hold it in place just in case the weight of the coaster gets too much, but that shouldn't be too hard to do. And obviously we're gonna have to have a semi-powerful motor, or maybe double up on the Lego motors to be able to power this. One more time just for fun. Lower the side down. It's aligned.